Hi, good day. My name is Mohammed Siraj, taking you Microsoft Word today, and we'll be looking at Format Painter specifically. The Format Painter is located on the clipboard segment on the ribbon, and you can easily use the Format Painter to copy a format from one place or from one text or a paragraph to another. This is done without you necessarily redoing all the formatting process that has been carried out on a particular text. Let's take for example, if you highlight this, I'll highlight this now, then bold it, increase the font size, for example let's say 20, change the font face to Arial Black for example, then change the color, the font color to green color. Then you can also add shadow by clicking on show the font dialog box, then you select the shadow. You can add shadow to it when you click on text effect. Then you should be able to add the shadow. You select the shadow transparency, the shadow size, or you can easily use the preset to add your shadow as you like. You can add a shadow of your choice. You can also select the shadow color if you want to do that. Let's say we want this. Okay, then you click close. You click OK. The shadow has been applied to this particular text we have at the top here. Then if for example you want to apply this effect or this formatting effect we have on these Suicide Computers to another text in your document, all you need to do is to first of all highlight the text that contains the formatting you want to copy. For example, you highlight this. You can use any of the text selection techniques. You can select any one of these. Let's select Suicide for example. By double clicking on Suicide, you will be selecting only the word. Okay, then you click on Format Painter from the clipboard. Then you click the text where you want to apply the format. Let's apply the format to instructions. You click on instructions and it has been applied. This is the function of the Format Painter. Okay, you can also use the keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut is, let's undo this one, Ctrl Z, is to select the text you want to copy the format from, or the text that contains the format you want to copy. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus C, then you move the cursor on the text you want to apply the format to, then you press Ctrl plus Shift plus V to apply the format on it. Thank you for listening, everyone. This is how to use the Format Painter. If you've not been using it before now, then you can start trying to apply or use it in your document to make it more easier and faster in achieving tasks or dozens of tasks in performing or in preparing document.